Bonsoir, Olivier. Has Monsieur de la Serre returned?
Senor de la Serre is not expected until late.
Ah, well. I suppose I'll just pass the time with Elise, then.
Don't get your hopes up just yet. Mademoiselle is at a private soiree, in her honor, at the palace.
A party? I wasn't invited.
Neither were the horses.
I'm sure she just misplaced my invitation. I'll find my own way in. How late is late?
Perhaps an hour, perhaps 3, perhaps not at all. I do not question the comings and goings of my betters.
I'll just wait here, then. I could just slip it under the door. He'd see it the instant he returned.
Hop, hop.
There. Safe and sound, and only slightly delayed. And now, to the palace. I couldn't sneak through a sewer in these threads, much less a ball. Here, here, mon ami. Let me take care of that.
Well, thank you, young man.
Maximilien Robespierre. No guest.
Arnaud. Le Chevalier du Thelème.
Invitation, s'il vous plaît.
About that, I had one, of course, but on the way...
No invitation, no admittance. Now clear the queue. Next, please. Charles Gabriel Sivert. 2 guests. Next, please.
Quite the turnout.
2 guests. Be gone. Monsieur Chrétien Lafrenière.
Quite the turnout. Quite!
No invitation, no end.
Quite the turnout. Quite!
Capitaine Frédéric Rouille.
Please have your invitation.
Let's just put in a short appearance to be polite. I'm tired.
As you say.
What's this party for, anyway?
Not sure. Some kind of confirmation ceremony for the Delasere girl.
Now you've broken.
Thought you could sneak in, hmm?
Practically up in a... They're having a party.
What's this party for, anyway?
Not sure. Some kind of confirmation.
Hey, wait.
Off with you!
Third Estate practically up in arms, and they're having a party.
What's this party for, anyway?
Not sure. Some kind of...
Is it shift change yet?
Len, come back to the party.
She does not.
You up there! Stop! Get down!
fluttering around.
Will you let me back in if I do?
What? Certainly not!
Well then, if it's all the same to you, I think I'll stay up here.
You! Come here!
I'll see you in the garden later, yes? Of course.
Quite the turnout this evening.
M'accorderiez-vous cette danse pour gentilhomme?
Merci. Un autre jour.
For sure, the plebs would riot this afternoon.
Did you see what she's wearing? What do you expect? She's half savage.
I'll not be made a mock of by the likes of him.
I fear she's going to have down there got so
She always did love the chase.
You seem to have caused quite a commotion.
Well, what can I say? You were always a bad influence.
Oh, you were a worse one. Are you wearing one of my father's suits?
Are you wearing a dress?
Don't even start. I feel like a mummy wrapped up in this thing.
Must be quite an occasion to get you so fancy.
It's not like that. Truth be told, it's a lot of ceremony and pontification. Dull as dirt.
Well, when you don't invite me to your parties, everyone suffers.
I did try, but my father was adamant.
Your father?
Go. I'll distract them.
What? You're kicking me out?
It's complicated. I'll explain later, but for now, out the window.
Oh, no, no, no. You're not turning this into a repeat of that apple orchard.
Stop being such a baby. I'm sure there aren't any guard dogs this time. Go! Oh my! Now, wasn't the billiard room at all? Was it?
We are pursuing an interloper, Mademoiselle de la Serre. Have you seen him?
No. Waste of time. There's nobody out here.
Man's vomit off my shoes.
Who would buy such a thing? The hell?
You all right, monsieur? Too much of the king's champagne? Monsieur? Monsieur de la Serre? Monsieur de la Serre!
Sylvain, come away! Guards! Help! Murder!
Bon Dieu! He's killed Lord de la Serre.